Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Zero. Welcome back to Save Our System IT. Today I'll continue with part 6 of our Busybox series. Today's first command will be dumpleases, and to be able to understand it, first we must understand the DHCP servers. The DHCP is at the heart of assigning you and everyone their IP address. The keyword in the DHCP is protocol, the guiding rules and processes for internet connections for everyone everywhere. The DHCP is consistent, accurate, and works the same for every computer. Remember that without an IP address, you would not be able to receive the information you requested. Your IP address tells the internet to send the information that you requested, a web page, email, data, and so on, right to the computer that requested it. The keyword in the DHCP is dynamic, because instead of having just one fixed and specific IP address, most computers will be assigned one that is available from a subnet or pool that is assigned to the network. The internet isn't one big computer in one big location. It's an interconnected network of networks, all created to make one-on-one connections between any two clients that want to exchange information. One of the features of the DHCP is that it provides IP addresses that expire. When the DHCP assigns an IP address, it actually leases that connection identifier to the user's computer for a specific amount of time. The default lease is 5 days. Here's how the DHCP process works when you go online. You go on your computer to connect to the internet, the network requests an IP address, this is actually referred to as a DHCP discover message. On behalf of your computer's request, the DHCP server allocates or leases to your computer an IP address. This is referred to as a DHCP offer message. Your computer, and now remember you're the DHCP client, takes the first IP address offer that comes along. It then responds to the DHCP request message that verifies the IP address that's been offered and accepted. The DHCP then updates the appropriate network servers with the IP address and other configuration information for your computer. Your computer, or whatever network device you're using, accepts the IP address for a lease term. Typically, a DHCP server renews your lease automatically, without you or even a network administrator having to do anything. However, if that IP address's lease expires, you'll be assigned a new IP address using the same DHCP protocols. Dumpleases shows us these address leases in the terminal. The -R option is to show us the time left until the lease expires, and the -A option is for absolute and it gives us the actual expiration date. Echo displays a line of text. Echo is a fundamental command found in most operating systems that offer a command line. It is frequently used in scripts, batch files, and as part of individual commands, anywhere you may need to insert text. Many command shells such as bash, ksh, and csh implement echo as a built-in command. Egrep searches for a pattern in text using an extended regular expression, and performs essentially the same function as the grep command with the -e option. A regular expression is a pattern that describes a set of strings. Regular expressions are constructed analogous to arithmetic expressions, by using various operators to combine smaller expressions. Grep understands two different versions of regular expression syntax, basic and extended. In GNU grep there is no difference in available functionality using either syntax. In other implementations, basic regular expressions are less powerful. The following description applies to extended regular expressions which are used in egrep. The fundamental building blocks are the regular expressions that match a single character. Most characters, including all letters and digits, are regular expressions that match themselves. Any meta character of special meaning may be quoted by preceding it with a backslash. A bracket expression is a list of characters enclosed by a left square bracket and right square bracket. It matches any single character in that list. If the first character of the list is a caret, then it matches any character not in the list. For example, the regular expression left square bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right square bracket matches any single digit. env is a shell command for Linux, Unix, and Unix-like operating systems. It can be used to print a list of the current environment variables or to run another program in a custom environment without modifying the current one. If env is run without any options, it prints the variables of the current environment. Otherwise, env sets each name to value and executes command. Expand copies files or the standard input to the standard output with tab characters expanded to space characters. Backspace characters are preserved into the output and decrement the column count for tab calculations. Expand is useful for pre-processing character files, before sorting, before looking at specific columns and so forth, that contain tab characters. expr evaluates arguments as an expression. expr prints the value of an expression to standard output. A blank line below separates increasing preceding groups. Here are a couple of simple examples. So you have the command expr, then the word text, then a colon, then between semicolons a dot and a wildcard asterisk. This performs a regular expression match. The regular expression after the colon is matched to the text before the colon. The returned output is the number of characters that matched. Here the regular expression dot asterisk represents any number of any character. Therefore the result is 4. If we have the command the expr text colon text returns the number of characters from the regular expression after the colon, which appear in the text before the colon. Here, the regular expression text represents exactly the consecutive characters t, e, and x, so the output would be 3. In Unix-like operating systems, true and false are commands whose only function is to always return with a predetermined exit status. Programmers and scripts often use the exit status of a command to assess success, which is exit status 0, or failure, non-zero, of the command. The true and false commands represent the logical values of command success, because true returns 0 and false returns 1. The commands are usually employed in conditional statements and the loops of shell scripts. fgrep searches for fixed character strings in a file or files. Fixed character means the string is interpreted literally. Meta characters do not exist, and therefore regular expressions cannot be used. fgrep is useful when you need to search for strings which contain lots of regular expression meta characters, such as $signs, characters, and so on. By specifying that your search string contains fixed characters, you don't need to escape each of them with a backslash. If your string contains new lines, each line will be considered an individual fixed character string to be matched in the search. Running fgrep is the same as running grep with a -F option. And that's about it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any questions you might have are to be left down in the comment section or on our website www.sosit.co. Again, that's www.sosit.co. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.